Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia.allinone this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, we have baked tilapia. A very simple, delicious tilapia. To get started, we have our clean tilapia and all these beautiful ingredients here. We have some thyme, some rosemary, some cloves, some allspice, and ingetin. If you know the English name, let me know. We have some shallots, some Shishito pepper. We have some Scotch bonnet pepper for heat, but you can eliminate that if you don't want all that heat. We have some onions, some ginger, and garlic. Let's not forget our leek and salt to taste. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut up all my vegetables. I use the middle part of my leeks because it has more flavor than the leafy part. So, I'm going to blend my vegetables now, adding my herbs, which is my rosemary, thyme, and kitten, cloves, and allspice. I'm just taking the stems off. I'm just cutting up. I'm not cutting my tilapia. I'm just slicing the top and bottom. So once my tilapia is done, I don't have to eat it in whole. I can just take a knife and easily take a portion from where I sliced. I'm just salting it down, making sure I get it into the cracks. On the side, I'm just adding some oil to my seasoning. Now, at this part, you can add whatever seasoning you want. I just don't like to add all this extra stuff, so that's why I'm just using this. Now, the oil helps crisp the skin of the fish. Make sure you get it in all the cracks. Open the flap up. Stuff some seasoning in there. And just set this aside and let it marinate for like a good 30 to 2 hours if you have the time. But if you don't, you could throw this in the oven right away. I let mine sit because I didn't add any extra seasoning, just what I had blended. I'm just oiling my sheet. I lined a cookie sheet with a foil to help clean up be easy. Making sure I put all my sauce in there because once it comes out the oven, you're gonna want some of that sauce. Garnishing with some onion and leeks. Can stuff it in there. Cover it before you put it in the oven because you don't want it to dry out before it cooks. You want it to cook, then dry out. It's going in the oven for 45 minutes on 425. Now, you have to take it out and take the lid off. Put it back in. You see all that juice there? You can scoop it and put it back on top to help it moist your tilapia. Keep checking on it. Keep taking it out till you get the right look that you're looking for. I like mine just like this because it makes me feel like I actually put it on a grill. Now, I'm gonna have mine with kinky, so I have some pepper, some of my green sauce there. If you haven't seen my video, go and check it out, or I'll leave the link right below this video. So I have my kinky in that corner there. If If you see the way I am about to muff this tilapia, my guys, you go clap give me. We finish cook, oh, guys. Come make we chop la. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tap that bell for all notifications.